Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of this beautiful facility here, Scoop School in St. Louis, Missouri. Hey, I wanted to ask a question that actually comes up quite often, is this kind of difference between a custom class versus a traditional 3-day class. So we're here in the classroom. In the 3-day class, we spend half of our time in here talking about things like marketing, finance, operations, HR, choosing a location, some classifications of ice cream, and the other half of the course is also hands-on. We also do that 3-day course live stream. So we use Frank here, he's a good friend of ours. Madeline will be behind Frank, and we basically do the whole course live streamed on Zoom, so you can kind of watch from a vertical, a horizontal. Frank's awesome, he's got all sorts of lights and cameras and all sorts of things on him that helps us live stream. But sometimes people will say, well, what's a custom course, and should I do a custom course? Should I do a 3-day course? Well, a custom course basically is generally a 1-day, but we have discounted prices for 2 or 3 days. And primarily it's your agenda. So anything that you wanted to do specifically, we find some people who have already been in food service that don't necessarily need to know all of the kind of food cost, labor cost, all of that stuff. They find that, they really just want to have hands-on rather than the kind of theory stuff. So most of our time in a custom course is actually spent here in our production room, where you've got things happening where, like for example, someone just called me and said, hey, I want to do frozen custard. Should I do a regular course or should I do a custom course? Well, a custom course is also, you can do whatever you want. In fact, we generally get on a phone call leading up to and a phone call afterwards as well. But we create the agenda for you. If you want to spend all day on a custard machine, if you want to spend all day rolling waffle cones, if you want to kind of design a day that's maybe a little theory, but mostly hands-on, that's what a custom course is for. If you've never had any food service experience before, I generally kind of lead you more towards the 3-day course. I think that's going to give you a much better foundation. But certainly in the process of hands-on and kind of designed course for you, a custom course is a really good option. The nice thing also about a custom course is that it's a day charge rather than a per person charge. So you can bring you by yourself, you can bring 20 people, you can bring 50 people if you wanted, in order to kind of just have us utilize and train you in our facility for that day. So again, happy to talk to you about it on the phone. We talk to a lot of people about custom versus 3-day, but I find that if you really just want to kind of get your hands on and kind of just have the sole attention of the headmaster working with you and your crew, then a custom course may be the way to go. Anyway, information is on our website below. Our contact details are down there as well. You'll also find a little calendar section there. You can reserve complimentary, a 15-minute chit chat with me. Happy to talk about the pros and cons of each. I think that's about it. I look forward to seeing you in class, live stream, 3-day, custom. Look, let us know. The world is your oyster. We want to make your ice cream dreams come true. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.